Recipe brownie. Ingredients: 130 grams of chopped black chocolate, 130 grams of butter at room temperature, 125 grams of sugar, 130 grams of flour, and 3 eggs. Equipment: a rectangular mold, a mixer, a knife, an oven, a bowl, and a pot. Procedure: put the chocolate and the butter coated with the knife in the small bowl. Then put water in the pot and the bowl. After that, melt it with the water bath, lighting the fire, and remove the chocolate and the butter. Put the sugar and mix the mixture with the mixer until it's well incorporated. Put the flour and mix it well. Then add the eggs and mix with the mixture until the mixture is thick and homogeneous. Put butter in the mold. Distribute the mixture in the mold. And bake it until 30 or 35 minutes at 200 degrees. Or until the surface is cracked but soft inside. It's very important to don't bake in excess.